Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy Education London, and today we are looking at percentages. So again, percentages often students struggle with. So let's have a look at a practice question together. So the question reads 20% of 3000. So there's different ways to work it out. A simple way to work it out for this question, you could work out 10%. So we know to work out 10% of a number, you just divide the number by 10. So if we have 3000 and we divide by 10, we get 300, right? Now, to find 20%, it's quite simple because how do we go from 10% to 20%? We times it by 2. So that means on the right-hand side, we do the same. We times 300 by 2. So if you do 300 times 2, you will get 600. So the final answer is 600. So if you got 600, well done. Another way to work this out very quickly, so you can convert the percentage to a fraction. So 20% as a fraction, 20 over 100 of 3000. So you can do, let's do it in a different color, let's do it in blue. You can do 3000 divided by 100 as your step 1, and then step 2 would be the answer times the top. Okay, so this would be step 2. So let's do it together. Step 1, 3000 divided by 100 will give us 30, and then 30, let's move on to step 2. The answer, 30 times 20, will give us 600. And as you can see, that is the same answer. So there's different ways to work it out. I've just shown you 2 different ways that you can work it out. Whichever one you prefer, you can use. That's completely fine. I hope you found this video beneficial and informative. And this is essentially percentages made easy. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and share for more. Thank you.